It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. All right, so we are back for another Shein nail supply haul, and this one is geared more toward like nail design organization. Okay, so I'm gonna show you everything that I got, and then we're gonna open it all up and we're gonna start organizing. Okay, so first and foremost, okay, I have this case here. Now I bought this one for sure for my makeup case, to put like a few things in for when I'm traveling. So I thought, you know, maybe I could use that for my nail stuff. Okay, so we're gonna see what we can do with this one. I did need to get another one of these. This is the soak off, so I got one of these. My old one has pink around it. I used it when I did the soak off for Tamika, so I got another one. I found this, it's really cute and sparkly. The only thing I don't like about it is this kind of little gap situation. So however I sit this on my desk, I'm gonna put that so that people can't see it. But I got this to put like maybe some brushes or something in it. I thought it was cute, kind of spice up the nail desk. For this one, I had the same idea. It is pink with the Eiffel Tower on it, and the more I think about it, my bathroom is pink with Eiffel Towers, and I'm like, am I gonna put this on my nail desk or am I gonna put this in my bathroom? This would be cute to put like your toothbrush, toothpaste. So this might make its way into my bathroom. Then I got these. I do have some of these for my makeup area as well, to put my makeup brushes in when I travel. But I said I could put some brushes in here, like my nail brushes and stuff. Right now, these particular nail brushes I have in this little bag, so this looks better. Okay, and I got these two cases. They are kind of thin, so I kind of got an idea of what I want to try to fit in here, but we're gonna see. Then I got this big case. This one seems kind of cool, so when I open it up, y'all are gonna see like the kind of top and the bottom situation. It kind of reminds me of a case that I already have, so we're gonna see what we can do with that. I got these to wrap around my thumb, of course, in blue and white. And I got some more of these. I typically get these from Amazon, but the ones on Shein were a little bit cheaper, so I got some of these. And this is just the little, you know, the black thing that I put on my nail desk. It has the plastic on the bottom so that the liquids don't go through onto your table. So if you're doing nails somewhere, that's definitely a must-have. And I got this little stand. The last time I bought a brush stand, I ended up putting it in my makeup area. So we shall see if this one stays in the nail area or if it goes to the makeup area. But I thought this one was cute. This one is a little different than the other one that I have, so I'll put this one together and kind of see how that works out. Okay, so I'm going to open all of the cases up and get my new stuff, like some of the new glitters and stuff that I have, and I'm going to kind of put this stuff in here, and we're going to see what kind of organized situation we can come to. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I tried to put the glitters with the square bottom in here, but couldn't get as many in as I wanted to. So I think I want to put the square bottom ones in here. So what I do, I typically just kind of play around with placement and see what will give me the best option. So for this one, I can either put these going the long ways like that, or, and let me get another one. And for these, I'm noticing that you have to make sure that you screw the top on, because for some reason the top is not all the way screwed on. I don't know why they thought that was cool. We don't want glitter all over the place. We need these secure. Okay, so let's see. And I think these are different sizes. I don't know. So I can put them in like this, or I can put them in like this, you know, different things. I don't want to put them in like this because I won't be able to see the one up under it. So I'm trying to put them in here in a way where I can kind of see and know what color I'm about to pull out. This particular one did come with these little dividers, so if I wanted to kind of separate them by collection, I can do that as well. Oh, y'all can't even see me. My bad. It's kind of hard to get them out that way. So let me turn them this way. See that how the tops don't even be all the way on. The first ones that I put in here were really bad, so I was like, let me make sure I screw that top on. And just like that. So I really like this. For this one, I put these little kind of confetti type pieces. I can't quite get all of them in here, so 3 of them are gonna have to sit this one out. I have another one of these, and then I have this case. Y'all, I had to bootleg, I had to tape it up. I went on Shein and was trying to do the return, but I think I have to pay something to send it back, so we just gonna keep it. But this is how it looks. It's like this big open space here, and then on this side we have like a little area here for like implements and stuff like that. So I first want to see if my drill will fit in here. Okay, it does. When I went to Atlanta for that class, we had to take our drill and stuff. And I was trying to find something to put my stuff in. This is a hot mess, y'all. I don't know if I would recommend this one right here. This was like $6, too much. And then you could put some tweezers, maybe an acrylic brush, a cuticle pusher, some drill bits, something like that. So I think I might use this when I travel and I have to take my drill with me or something like that. So this one I'm just gonna put away for right now, because it's just, it got a little boo-boo. So let's find something to put in here. In here, I know I said I wanted to put these brushes. See, that makes me feel better already. I was using this box to put these brushes in, but let's see how they look in here. See, this one was really long and it fits perfectly inside of this one. So let's just put these in here like that. Look at that. I love it. Love, love, love. And these, you know, you can use these for all kind of stuff. At the moment, I have these in here. And these are just some that I just pre-set up. I told y'all that I've been putting like half of one on the other side. So I just set up a couple of these and have them in a case like this. So I'm about to find something to put in this one. And it took me forever to set these up. It's really hard to get these to go in here. So I was just beating on it with something and I hope it don't fall down. Okay, so I went to my makeup room and I got another one of the cases like this to put these glitters in. I got these from Amazon and I posted on my community tab the link to them. They were $8 for all of these glitters, so check it out. If you don't look at my community tab, definitely look over there, because I try to drop like everything that I'm doing there and some, like a few gems over there. So, and I really love this case, by the way. So far I have these in here and now this in here. For this other situation, I think the ones that repeat, I'm not gonna put in here, like this silver and this white one. But for this case, I have these foil flakes, and these are the ones like this that don't fit in here. So trying to think about what I want to do with that. I might just get another one of those other kind of cases and put them in there. And you know, might order some more of these, kind of figure that out. So that's where I'm at so far, but I do like these clear cases so that I can see what's in it before I open it. Okay, so I do have those other clear cases that kind of open out and all of that. So putting these in here will kind of free up some space over there So that's the goal. Always trying to find ways to store stuff and all of that good stuff. Okay. So I really do like these for my brushes for sure. I might get a couple more of these to put like maybe just the liner brushes in one, all of the gel brushes in one, stuff like that. Okay, so I took the glitters out of this one and I'm going to put these in here. I got these from Walmart a while ago. So these should fit in here nicely. These are the other ones. So I like this case for this one. I'm still going to keep these in here. And I went in my makeup stuff and took all my makeup stuff out of these because I really like these cases for this. So I have 3 of these. I had 2 for my makeup stuff and 1 for the nail stuff, but they have been converted. Okay. But let me know what y'all think of this kind of Shein nail supply organization haul. I love these little cute cases that they have on there. So let me know if you have bought any storage boxes from there and your favorite kind and what you like to put in them. And make sure you share this video with somebody. Give it a big old thumbs up. Okay, leave me a comment in the comment section. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line in that order. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Hey, it's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.